Hi babe, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today for breakfast we are making pumpkin pie waffles. They are super delicious. If you love recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's start cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 2 1/4 cup of gluten-free baking flour, 3 eggs, 1/2 cup coconut oil, melted, 2/3 of a cup of almond milk, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. In a mixing bowl, combine all of the dry ingredients, that is flour, baking powder, salt, and pumpkin pie spice, and give it a good mix. Add eggs into a different bowl and give them a really good whisk. Into the egg mixture, add almond milk, maple syrup, melted coconut oil, pumpkin puree, and then give it a good whisk. Now into the same bowl, add flour mixture and whisk it really good, and then let it rest for about 10 minutes before cooking it inside the waffle maker. Next, add 1/2 cup of batter mixture into the waffle maker and cook until your desired texture. If you guys have a recommendation for a waffle maker, please let me know in the comments below. I really need to buy a new one and I'm not sure what to get, so I would love if you can recommend me something. Carefully remove waffles onto a plate, add whipped cream frosting over the top and drizzle maple syrup, then sprinkle some ground cinnamon, and it's ready to be enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.